오늘은 머리 위 선반이나 여러분 앞쪽 정성 밑에 놓아주시기 바랍니다.
I've had the longest day ever. I don't know, maybe I should say the longest 2 days because my mind's idea of time and date is just fuzzy. But either way, finally I'm in Korea. I think I need to sleep and wake up. I need to sleep and wake up for that information to digest and for me to feel it, because right now my mind is a mess. So I'm going to be staying here for a night. I think they kept me separately and a couple of others from my flight, probably because of the country we flew in from and the possibility of there being a Delta variant. So they want to ensure that all there's no excuse basically. So I was given this snack and let's see, open it and look at it. 8 a.m. tomorrow I'm leaving here. Chubal. The socks from the airport, from the plane, and this from the plane. Okay, let's see what's inside here. So we have, and this is cup ramyeon snack. It says Senekmyeon. Doritos. This is Homrinpol. Guys, if I didn't say that right, forgive my Korean. This says Mongswell. I'm murdering the Korean. Oh, something familiar. That's Twix. This is Koldu. This looks like orange. That should be orange drink. This is Let's Be Mild Coffee. That's coffee. This is this stuff again. This is, what is this? Chopsticks? Yeah. Alright, peace. I'm going to find something to snack on and then sleep. Night. back to my channel, and if this is your first time, welcome to my channel. My name is Excel, and here on this channel I talk about all the wonderful things that help you live your best life as an adult. So wellness, mental health, psychology, and just daily living, things to help you live your best life. So if this is your first time, please subscribe and hit the notification button so you don't miss my next video. If you have seen my last 2 vlogs, you will know that I have traveled to South Korea. So I will be reporting to you live from South Korea. And as we all know, quarantine is mandatory and you have to get like food delivered to you or have food brought to you during quarantine. So in today's video, I decided to share with you guys what I eat during quarantine. It's a largely vegetarian diet, so if you like vegetables or if you're a vegetarian, you're going to like this video. Like I said before, if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button. I will bring new videos every Saturday and Wednesdays if I have a lot of content for that week, but every Saturday. So with no further ado, let's jump right into the video.
And I'm getting mighty tired of your trifling ways and of listening to that jackass Bray.
For all time's sake. As time goes by. It's been a long time. Some of the old songs. For all time's sake. As time goes by. It's been a long time. Some of the old songs. For all time's sake. As time goes by. It's been a long time.
Good morning from this side. Here's what I'm having for breakfast today. Have fruits, toast with fried egg, one of my favorite yogurts, and more yogurt-like drinks. Yum yum yum. This is lunch, but I don't know how I feel about eating this afternoon. I think this is some kind of egg. This is pineapple. Rice, stuff. Yeah. Hey guys, it's dinner time here. I have this cider drink, pickles, berries, pineapple. I'm really hoping this is chicken. I'd be so disappointed if it's not. I have a feeling it isn't, but wish me luck. Ciao. I'm beyond excited today because I love everything in my breakfast bowl. So there's blueberries, there's egg, there's cheese, there's potato, there's some vegetables underneath here, and there's this huge ass donut. Oh, and then I got this. Yes. Today is going to be the last day at the club. Yeah. I'm done with lunch. Bye. Yorubun. So I have danmuji here, some fruits, bread and jam. I have egg. I don't know what this sauce is, but this rice looks like fried rice. I'm excited to see rice that like reminds me of home, and this is like my favorite yogurt snack. Beads. Are we ready? Are we ready for this? Are we ready for this? Okay, let's start. Today we're having egg, rice, japchae, banana, some fruit, and kimchi. 여러분 밥 먹자. Here's a beautiful view of the outside. They say autumn is now upon us, so here's what autumn would look like. 좋다. 저는 너무 행복해요. Food is warm. Food is nice. There's nothing to not be happy about. Okay, so this is chicken, and let's come to the light. There, you can see we have chicken, rice, and some other things here. And then here's my favorite yogurt sets. Yogurt to BU2 yogurt. It has yogurt and chocolate here. Amazing thing. Let's eat. Guys, we're having samke tang for dinner. So this is kind of like rice and chicken in a ginseng soup, I think, but it's also considered gukbap. I hope I'm right. And then we have these fruits, pudu gel. Oh, pudu is a blackberry, then gel, pudu gel. 알겠습니다. 그리고 Welch sparkling grape soda. 잘 먹었습니다. 여러분, I finally arrived. I think I'll pick this bed space. Finally arrived. Finally arrived. 화장실. Finally arrived. Bathroom.
I'm feeling high.